In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write off a bad debt in Xero. When a customer invoice has no realistic chance of being collected, the clean way to remove it from your accounts receivable is to create a credit note that reverses the original sale. I'll show you exactly where to click and what to enter to keep your records clear. Start on your Xero dashboard and go to Sales. From there, open the Sales Overview to create the entry in the right place. This route keeps you inside the invoicing tools you already use. Next, choose Create. Then, select Credit Note. A credit note is the official document that reduces or cancels an invoice. Using it keeps your aging, revenue, and tax reporting accurate. It also preserves your audit trail, which is important for reviews and year-end. On the credit note screen, first enter the contact. Pick the same customer on the unpaid invoice you're writing off. This links the credit to the right account. Enter the issue date. Use the date you decided the debt became uncollectible, typically after your collection process has been completed. Dating it correctly ensures it falls in the right reporting period. Add a clear reference, such as bad debt write-off and the original invoice number. That way, reviewers instantly understand the purpose. Now, select the item. Choose the product or service that mirrors the original invoice, or your organization's designated bad debt item if one exists. Confirm quantities, prices, account code, and tax rate reflect the reversal. Matching the original tax treatment helps keep returns correct. In the description, note that this credit writes off the outstanding balance. Once everything looks right, click Approve. Before you do, quickly check the contact, issue date, reference, line amounts, accounts, and tax rates. After approval, the credit note is posted and ready to offset the outstanding invoice per your normal process. That's it. You've documented the bad debt cleanly and kept receivables and revenue accurate. If you're unsure about account codes or tax handling, check your chart of accounts or speak with your advisor before approving. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and follow along as you complete your write-off.